Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find hidden lock chats on WhatsApp. And here's how it's done. Open WhatsApp. On the main chat screen, swipe down with your finger. You will see a lock chats section. Tap it and use Face ID, fingerprint, passcode to unlock. You will now see all chats that are locked but visible. What if they are hidden too? If you enabled hidden lock chats, they won't show up even when you swipe down. Here's how to find them. Tap the search bar at the top of the chat screen. Enter your secret code. Example 1111. WhatsApp will reveal your hidden lock chats instantly. Alternatively, type the person's name directly. Once tapped, it will prompt Face ID or your passcode. Remember, you need your Face ID or fingerprint and your secret code to view hidden chats. That is everything you need to know about how to find hidden lock chats on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.